Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how we are using Google in our platform to perform the respective actions. So the first place where we are using Google in our application is here for login purpose. So here we are allowing users to log in via their Gmail account. So once they select the respective Gmail account with which they want to use our application, it will ask to it will ask for the permission of name, profile picture, and email address so that we can identify the user and allow him to use the application accordingly. So this is the first section where we are using this. The another section where we are using Google is for Google Drive in case of sign or review. Here user can uh, load the documents from Google Drive in our application and get them signed or reviewed with the help of Legit AI. So once user select here the email with which the drive is connected, it will ask the user to give the permission to see and download the files from drive. So once the user allows the permissions, it will open the drive picker, list all the files here, and then user can select the files with which he wants to process on Legit AI. So for now, like I have selected this Instagram influencer agreement. So Legit will fetch this file from the user's drive and allow him to sign via Legit. Once the file is fetched, user will click here on add signatories, and by default, my email will be added here as a signatory. Other than these, if I want to share the agreement with or document with other members, I can simply add them here as a signatories and send it accordingly. So for now, I am adding only my email so that I can sign it. I'm not sharing it with other members to get it signed. So here I have to place the signature blocks at the respective locations where I need to sign. So once placed, I can sign in the blocks and then simply I have to click on finish and sign. Then the agreement will be signed and the signed copy will be shared with the member on his email and he can access the signed copy on the platform also. So this is the second section where we are using Google Drive APIs to allow users to process their files directly from Drive on our application instead of separately downloading and uploading on Legit. The another section where we are using Google is here in calendar. Here user can create multiple tasks to perform the actions, whether he can create it for self or assign the task to the respective team members to complete. Like let me create a task. Then I will select here the end date for the task and I can simply create this task. So here in the tasks which I have created here, I will here in three dots, I will get the option to add them in my Google Calendar so that I can manage all my tasks at the single location in the calendar itself. It will ask me to select my email, which is linked with my calendar, and I want to add the task. So once I will select my email, it will ask for the respective permissions which we need to create an event in the Google Calendar. So once the user will provide the consent for that, the task will be added as an event in the calendar. So here we are asking for to see, edit, share, or delete the events from the calendar to maintain or to manage the tasks from Legit on the calendar. So for now, I have added my this task to hire a SEO analyst with the due date of 20th Feb. So if I show on the calendar, Event for this will be created in my calendar. So yeah, here you can see that. So other than this, I can use the Google to manage my alerts also. So if I open any signed document and if I click here on obligation and alerts in my application for the document, the AI engine will run on the document and it will extract the basic alerts based on dates, amounts, or other actions which user have to take over this agreement in the life cycle. So here the alerts will be shown. He can create his own alert if he wants to add some other actions over the document. Then here, let me create an alert for the payment milestone. This will be for 31st March, and the amount for this will be 5,000. So the alerts which will be in future from today's date, I will have option to add them also in the Google Calendar. So I can add the tasks in the Google Calendar by providing the respective consent, and it will create an event for this also in my Google Calendar. So these are the locations or integrations we are having for Google in our application.